Ka Sorkar Mikalaya kadang yai ab ya ka Shithi ai Jingbit na ka Medical Council of India ban Sdang ya ka Shillong Medical College bad ya ka hospital. Ka menteri ketanat ka kuat kekia ka kong amprin lengdo kala ong bala depen biang ya gijing don kambaro. Ka jing thung kam ya kinong hikai kadang yat bad ya ki sit ban puli doktor on sa permission. Ka Jylla kala janla ban pendap ya gijing don kam ya kinong hikai na ka jing duna ka ba khat nyo % kam haswa. Ka kong lengdo kala ong shu bagi medical college ki bathamai ha Shillong batura kan pensting ya gijing duna doktor. Kalau ongru baka mikalia menta kan sadon ya ka yala ka Jong ka medical registry ka ban pentikna i gijing wan pai jigi doktor ban ai jing arab daga Jylla kat ba ka Sorkar pat kadang don ha Pdeng gijing perkhat ban kentiu ya ka dor jong gijing ate.
So Shillong Medical College is awaiting the LOP from the MCI. And yes, we are far advanced. Yes, counseling for the MBBS seats is going to be advertised shortly. We have received our numbers of seats. We are awaiting for the last batches to come. We were short by about 17% of faculty for years 3, 4, 5, if I have my facts correct. But we are now I think very close to the completion of the numbers of faculties required for the start of a medical college.
Hadian jong gijingja syadung incek ke kena skul hagi brio bom itu.